Hello everyone, I as a representative of Arad didactic team am here again with the second step of creating bots. In the previous step we made our bot by using bot's father, and I told you that your bot wouldn't work, and what we did in the previous step was just a registration of our bot. So now in the second step, I want to teach you how to make your bot start working and start responding to requests, so your users will be able to use your bot by using the buttons and menus that you'll insert into your bot. If you haven't seen the previous educational video, please check that out. Well dudes, when we want to create our bot by using Arad bots, we can use one of these methods, which they both will act the same, and it's just based on your taste that which method you're eager to choose. First is using a bot which is known as your Arad bot, that you can use that in the Telegram. And the second way is using aradbot.com website that you enter into the site, and by using the control panel of the site, you'll be able to create your bot. Now I want to teach you the first method, and later I'll teach you the second method in the next videos. So let's create our bot by using your Arad bot. I open my Telegram application, and in the search bar I write your Arad bot. So I enter into Arad's bot's maker account. As you see, you can contact us by using this button whenever you have a question or when you confront with a problem. By the way, now we have dealt with the create a new bot option. Well, you can enter into this bot rapidly. Okay. In this step, it wants you to insert the token that bot's founder gave you after the registration. I just copy the token from the bot's father and I paste it here. Now you got to type your first name. I type Powell as an example. Now it's last name's turn. Now you should enter a valid email, which later it would be used as the username for entering to the panel. In the next step, it wants a password from you, which it should contain at least 6 to 12 characters. I type this password. In this step, it wants a phone number from you that you, by using this button, can send your phone number for the bot. Okay, after sending your phone number, you'll brought to a step where you can choose a theme for your bot. We have considered the most useful themes and have put them here, and time by time we'll design the themes and gonna put them here for your use. The point is that some of these themes might be relevant to your job and some may not. And you gotta enter into the panel after you've selected the theme, which I'll teach you in the following video, and you can easily do the necessary edits. So you can choose the simple theme. Here I want to choose the sort theme and create a sort bots for myself. After choosing the theme, the system wants you a confirmation to check your information. And if everything goes right, by clicking the yes button, the operation of creating the bot would be completely done and a couple of information would be given. You can use this data for entering into your bot's panel and controlling that. There are some points here. First, these information are classified and you must keep them safe. Second, this series of didactic videos for creating bots, which are continuously created by Arad bots team, will be put into a link, and you, by going to that link, can watch the videos. In this part, you see the title of your bot, the username of your bot, and the password, which I'll tell you what you can do with the password later. The theme of your bot and its version. But for entering into your bot, you just need to click on this link. Then you can watch your bot. But if you want to enter into the panel of the managing the bot and get the access of changing the buttons or editing them, you just need to click on this link or on this button. You enter into your panel, and when it wants you the username, type this, and when it wants the password, type what you have selected before. For watching the sum of the bots that we have made so far now and get the abilities of our bot, you just need to push this button. You enter into your bot. As you see, your bot is ready. A series of user default buttons exist for your theme, which you can use them or edit them as you wish. In this section, for example, the store info button, you can see the information of yourself like your phone, location, and etc. In the product section, you can have a showcase of your products in different divisions. For example, in closed section, menswear part, you can see the photos of products, so you can easily show the pics of your products to your users. Also, in higher versions, you can see products online and your users can buy your products. You can do more with your store bots or any other types of bots that you design. In the next video, you by pushing this button can enter into your managing panel of the bot, and as I said, you can edit anything related to the buttons as you wish. Good luck.